Brief, accurate and important news of today's Sunday. Honorable Khalifa Sirajuddin Haqqani, the acting minister of the Ministry of Interior, said at the 104th anniversary celebration of independence from the British occupation, the world should interact in a very good way with the Islamic Emirate and put an end to the ongoing oppression of Afghans. Honorable Maulvi Abdul Kabir, political deputy of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, said, in the celebration of the 104th anniversary of the country's independence, the Islamic Emirate will work to make Afghanistan competitive in the political field and economically self-sufficient. Maulvi Muhammad Yaqub Mujahid, acting minister of national defense, said at the celebration of the 104th anniversary of the country's independence that the one freedom will be preserved under any circumstances. Honorable Mujahid has assured the nation that Afghanistan will never return to wars, troubles and darkness again. As stated by the official of Hayatan Commercial Port, the Directorate of Nuram in Standard Administration has collected 200 million in more than 55 lakh Afghanis in the first 4 months of this year. Qari Fasihuddin Fitrat, the Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces, told the nation, the border forces have increased by 44%. According to Honorable Fitrat, this increase in the border forces occurred in the review of the information of the Ministry of National Defense in the year 1444. The Chamber of Commerce and Investment of Balkh says that for the first time grapes of this province were sent to Russia. According to official, last night these grapes were transported to Uzbekistan and from there to Russia through the Hayatan port and refrigerated vehicles. The Ministry of Interior says Special Force rescued a citizen named Muhammad Amin from the clutches of kidnappers in the Paghman district of Kabul, who was kidnapped 3 days ago. According to the ministry, in this operation 4 kidnappers were killed in the clash with the security forces.